Hello, welcome to an introduction about how to set up Jalbums in server mode, so it automatically processes all your images ready for to be viewed on multiple viewing stations. So very briefly, I've got Canon EOS 40D set up here with a capturing software. You can use any camera, any capturing software you want. What you need to do, of course, is to actually put a destination where the images are actually going to be saved to on your C drive. So in this case, I've got Jalbums -input. Just going to close that down. One thing, you do need to turn off the camera power save option, otherwise it closes down EOS capture every time your camera turns off, and you need to reboot it, so you need to turn that off. Let me just go to a few of the settings within Jalbums. The image directory, so you need to actually look at the same folder where your EOS capture or your capturing software is being saved to, and your output directory. It needs to be a different location to your input directory, otherwise it causes an infinity loop. Your image ordering by name in reverse order, so when your clients go to any of the viewing stations, their pictures are always to the top and not to the bottom. Just go into tools now, into preferences of Jalbums. Close progress dialog when done, very important, so you don't need to push any buttons after you've taken an image. And let's just run this now in server mode. So external tools, server mode, gives you a bit more information, and Jalbums now tells me it's monitoring the input folder. So here we go, so let's just take a picture. See now that Jalbums has saw the image and it's processed it. Let's just take another one. If I can get my focusing point. And another one. And another one. And another one. So all these images now are being processed, and you can see what Jalbums does here. Hopefully we get another one up in a second. Here we go. Oh, that was too quick. I told you it was quick. Let me see if I can get another one done. It actually just processes the first image, that last image you've just done. It doesn't reprocess the whole images. So it's important to make changes rather than make all. Your first picture, you obviously need to make all, so it creates all the necessary files. But anything after that, you do it as make changes, so that first image then is processed, and then all the rest, then it just whizzes through, as you can see there. So if we now go to preview, here's all the images that have just been taken. Now one of the things about the whole ultimate Skinn as well, which we go into a little bit more further down the road. If I now go to show albums and I click, so people are kind of using this system live as we go through it. You can see Jalbums is doing its stuff, it's all done. So now if I go back into the gallery and click here, the newest pictures I've got, whoop, are right at the top here. So it's a very, very quick system, very easy to use, and completely automated. Thank you.